Hello, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC. I'm your host, Erin Wheelock with Keller Williams, your favorite global real estate resource of choice, I'm sure. Anyways, I'm so excited. We are about to go up at the Charles. The Charles is a stunning luxury building on the Upper East Side on First Avenue, 1355 to be exact. Full floor lofts, and Joshua's going to show us around. I'm so excited. So without any further ado, let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I am up here with Josh Arcus from Brown Hair Stevens. Thank you so much for letting me come see the space.
Absolutely, happy to have you.
And okay, I'm just dying to know, tell us the story about this building.
So the building was built in 2015. David Collins' studio was the interior decorator for the building. So there's this beautiful mixture of stone, glass, metal, wood throughout the building. And these owners specifically did a lot of work to emphasize many of those features.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It should be called the Elements Building with all those elements going on. I love it.
It's lovely.
Right. And these are all single floor units.
Every single floor has its own private elevator landing. Mm-hmm. And the best thing is that every single floor is locked off, so no one's going from floor to floor. So it operates very much like a boutique building, despite the fact that it's over 30 stories.
You know what? Beautifully said. And I almost feel like it's very downtown meets uptown, which I think is what we're seeing a lot of right now.
Yeah, and certainly the floor-to-glass ceiling windows, the private loft-like floor setup is really not very easy to find on the Upper East Side.
No.
Especially in the new developments that are being produced today.
Yeah, absolutely not. And I have to say, most of the new developments being produced today are tiny.
Right, so this apartment's over 3,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. You have this beautiful living room, eat-in kitchen, and 4 amazing bedrooms.
Wow, yeah, that is a lot of space to be getting all on one floor, all to yourself. That's amazing. So, can you show me around?
Absolutely, I'd love to.
Yay! Okay, so this is a gorgeous, gorgeous eating kitchen. What are the appliances? Wine fridge, of course.
Sub-Zero wine fridge, plus a Sub-Zero fridge and freezer. You have Miele cooktop, along with the dishwasher, speed oven, and wall oven. Lots of extra storage. Really just saying this is a windowed kitchen is an understatement, of course. Yeah. You have an amazing area to eat in, plus a laundry room behind us.
Okay, and I know, we have other episodes where you have laundry and it's fantastic, but a whole laundry room, I mean, this is what everybody needs in New York City and nobody gets.
And
is that vented. A garbage disposal? And it's vented?
It is a garbage disposal, so two very unique features that no one normally thinks about.
I mean, honestly, I think the only other thing that's more exciting is like if you're in London and you see an apartment with an island, because I swear they have none there. That's what it's like to have a garbage disposal in New York City. It's like, what?
Yeah.
This just doesn't exist.
You hit the lottery.
Yeah. And I also love that they put the ovens over there because I feel like so many times you're in the kitchen and everybody's hitting each other if you're having like a meal and friends over, you're entertaining. But that's great. It's like out of the way when you got to put things in, not burning anybody. This is a very, very safe for your hands and fingers and toes kitchen.
It's also great because you actually have a separation between the kitchen and the living space, which is so common these days to have open kitchens. And here you don't have that problem.
And they kind of beat, They kind of beat it to the punch because I feel like everybody went open. Now people want it closed, but this was built in 2015.
Yeah, no.
So they were ahead of their times.
They were a little bit ahead of the times, and certainly people in the building have changed that, but these owners kept it this way. Again, you have a 6-person eat-in kitchen right here.
Yeah.
Can't really ask for more than that.
No, it's very special. Can't wait to see more.
Absolutely, let's go.
Woohoo! Okay, wow, this is so beautiful. I mean, corner, lots of open windows, flooding with light. You have more space for more formal dining. This is fantastic.
Yeah, what's great is that you get an exposure right up First Avenue, which actually is great, and it's even better at night, believe it or not.
Oh, you know what? I always forget about what things would look like at night.
Yeah.
But this has to be stunning.
Yes.
Between that view, this view, everything just lit up.
All the custom lighting throughout, again, the glass, etc. It really pops at night.
Yeah. And I also love how neutral this home is and how matches with the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Did a really good job.
Yep.
Is the owner a designer?
No.
Okay, so this is the primary.
Yeah.
Woo!
So this is great because we have this corner exposure. You're looking west and north. You have this beautiful kind of classic Upper East Side view with the Bohemian National Hall out your window. I mean, such a sanctuary, pin drop quiet. Can't ask for more.
Actually, you like can't hear anything in this home, and it's on First Avenue.
It's on First Avenue.
Oh yeah, no, this is amazing. It is so quiet, and there's so many closets.
Let's go look.
I love it. Okay, so tons of closets and bathroom.
Yeah, 5-piece bathroom here with the soaking tub, walk-in shower, double vanity sink, marble and heated floors. It's perfect.
Perfect. Love it.
Real timeless design, and it has held up really well.
Okay, tell me, this is another.
This is, I would call it the junior primary. It's
Okay.
it's a huge king-size bed, built in, beautiful finishes with this wall of leather, padded leather. And it's, again, totally pin drop silent. The design aesthetic throughout the apartment is just so on display in this room. I love it. I might use this as my bedroom.
I mean, honestly, it's so nice. And okay, the padded wall is not helping the fact I literally said I just want to come in here and jump on this bed because it looks so fluffy and fun. But then you have the padded wall. I mean, this could just be like a all-day thing. I don't know. I love it.
Great.
It's phenomenal.
And again, the corner exposure that you get here is just a nice bonus.
Yeah. And remind me, price?
Price is $5,995.
Okay. 4 beds.
4 beds, 4 bathrooms. Building has 24-hour staff, resident manager, a gym, children's playroom, and storage is included.
I mean, what else could you ask for? This has literally everything. If we ever have like a second COVID, I mean, knock on wood, you have everything right here.
Yeah.
So you don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah.
Some of the lucky few.
Absolutely.
I love it. Well, thank you so much again for having me here.
It's my pleasure. Happy to have you.
All right, Josh, hopefully we'll be bringing someone back.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh my God, it was so amazing. Okay. I definitely want to come back. So if you are interested in seeing this stunning unit, please let me know. I know he would love to tour us around again. And of course, we at the Wheelock team would love to be your real estate resource of choice for all of your needs. So if you're thinking about moving and you're thinking that this area might be the right area for you, reach out. Either way, we would love to see you. So be sure to like, subscribe, whatever you can do, send it to a friend who's moving here. Maybe this is the right spot for them. Bye, guys.